way how it set when me stay alone for too long. The mind, be things come up in my mind, you know. Be a darkness, you know.
I understand in a whisper. I understand. But keep doing what you do. Stay close to me. As a matter of fact, come here. If me in this for 20 years and you think you can fool me, it means it's time for me resign.
Sorry, Bubbles.
One thing me can tell you, your inquisitive nature, good for the business here. Come, get up. Come, sir. Alright, so I realize the tone will have a little rift between the two of them. I'm gonna fix it, because we don't might have to work together.
Got me in the moment, you see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive. I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere anymore. I wanted you to stay with me, to stay with me, to save me. I wanted you to stay with me wherever you go. I can't pretend it. Don't understand this is something that's not. You got me locked on your love like a drug.
So this is part 2 to your training. I'm going to use whisper as an example of how to heighten your senses and focus. Whisper, you have a kerchief? I'm going to blindfold whispers. And you're going to go anywhere in the room and he'll tell us where you are. Ready, whisper?
So I finally understand the situation where I got you, and I'm here to support you 100% because I love you. I'm gonna need you to understand that and get that in your head.
That's all I've ever wanted from you. The support. You know, you're my mom. You guys are all I have. I'm really not beg you. Don't do this to anybody. Not even your shopkeeper woman. A co-worker, soon to be co-worker. Don't tell anybody about this.
Once I start turning him, find yourself anywhere. So whisper, I want you to find the TV. Where in the room is Tony standing?
She doing on the passage just right beside of the glass.
I wanted you to stay with me, to stay with me, to save me. I wanted you to stay with me wherever you go. I can't pretend it, don't understand this is something that's not. You got me locked on your love like a drug.